So for this demo, we are using Business Central as an ERP and Shopify as an e-commerce. So now I have given few details over here such as item number and description for the input. And now I will be showcasing you in the Shopify store that this particular product is listed or not. So if I go to this product section and if I search the Apple iPhone, you can be able to see there is no such product listed in Shopify. So as you can see, there is no product listed in Shopify store. So with the help of Appsy Connect, we can link the data from Business Central to Shopify as well as with the updated version of the product listing. We will get all the details from the web store and we will push the data in Shopify store. So let's see what's happening next. Advanced AI algorithms analyze your data, tap into contextual information and generate rich, SEO-optimized listing tailored for your audience. No more manual updates. AI ensures consistency across your product listing while saving your hours of work. So we have used the power of Appsy Connect and enhanced knowledge base of GPT-4. Now we will see in Shopify store the product details has been generated or not. So now we are in the Shopify store in the product page. I will be searching with the exact product name which I was given in Business Central. So that was Apple iPhone 11. So yes, as you can see that the product has been successfully synced with the details such as the title of that particular product, and here the magic is. In the description tab, you can be able to see that the whole description has been generated automatically. With the help of GPT-4, we have created the detailed information regarding this product. And if I scroll down a bit, you can be able to see the image also. And also if I just scroll down a bit, the pricing has been also generated, which is taken from the web. And if I talk about the SKU, which is there in Business Central 1193, that also been synchronized successfully. So if I just go to the Shopify front end and I will be searching the product name over here. So yes, as you can also see over here that all the details has been generated from the web and here is the price and from there only you can buy it.